This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
$200 is the outcome of round and betting time. Get ready and place your bets for the next one if you want to continue. You do have you do have 8 options to choose. Forgot how many options there are. 4 numbers, 4 bonus rounds, and along with that, autoplay option is available. And bet on all as well. Also, do not forget that you can place your bets into it's only on the bonus rounds or only on the numbers. Cash and 7x. Stop. Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, cash and bonus round it is. Let's go, baby! Mwah! Perfect. 7x. Okay. Before we... Oh, there are a lot. And I mean it. A lot of hundreds all around the board. So, with the multiplying them by 7... there are a lot of 700s all around the board. Ain't no way. The more we got on the board, the better chances for you, right, to find those 700x. Perfect. Anyways, I do wish you all the best to make a decision, because now when the cursor stops, you have to make one, right? Choose one of the symbols you see over there. Do not forget that we also have what was the option? The option which is chooses the results instead of you, just in case if you.
This is the amount of money issued, 578,342 euros.
Congratulations to all the winners of the round. There's 711 of you who got 700x. I cannot even speak properly because of such a wonderful result. 8,900 winners. Until never, you got a stop, place, and betting time. Get ready and place your bets for the next round. Really, I forgot how to talk. And good luck.
That's more. I'm just lazy and I don't like to walk around in the rain, you know. And something the dog owners I have to face. Also plays much bigger bills when it comes to wets and feeding and entertainment. So yeah, I love the cat. Loves, this session started 3 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. You calculate yourself. 2x and crazy time. Are you going to do cats? Now to them then. Woo-hoo! We got the 2x crazy time, boys and girls. Here we go. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, start thinking about the flipper you want to pick. You got 3 options given. While we multiply the wheel, you get yourself a bit of extra time to decide what to grab. You can go green, blue, yellow. 50 seconds will be given after this to make your mind. And of course, after the feature, if for some reason you don't do it on time. Hi, Clovis. Right, guys, here we go. Whoa. Oh, 200x in the wheel right now there.
This is the amount of money issued, 308,083 euros.
X in the blue flapper, you blue team incredibly on fire. 50x in the green, and was it 30x in the yellow, I think. So this contestant, and of course 47 wins again. We're saying that about 18,000 G. You are Norm Live, got a second, third place, but yo, blue flapper people, look at you. Nice, really nice.
Players, thank you so much. Betting time's up now once again. Place your bets on one, multiple, or on all of these segments. And please don't leave. Please keep hosting forever and ever and ever. Well, I gotta leave really soon, but I'll be back for many, many times today. 24-hour session. You know what? If I'd be able to, like, Make money out of it? Sure. I'd be here spinning reels for 48 hours if you need me to. 3 extra coin flip. I'd be like, who was that? Ken K? I always forget his name. He just did a 52-hour stream or something. Oppa! Wait! Coin flip! Top slap! Woo! Awesome! W. Sorry. I get a little cringe sometimes. I enjoy challenging myself. Oh! No way. Ain't no way, Jose. 9x 300. I'm not gonna look, man. I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna be looked. 300x, please.
This is the amount of money issued 1,511,102 euros.
300x. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah. 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 10,075 of you. 300x. Woo! Nice.
Let's go into the next one, shall we? I wish you all the best of luck, so come on, let's go. Last seconds. And back to place. Come on now. It's time to go. Not your day today, you see. That's totally fine. Bye. Have a wonderful day. Mwah. Have fun yourself, darling. Have a wonderful day. Ian Verstappen on a pachinko with 3x on top of it. Come on now. Maybe this one is going to give us something good. And always hoping for the best. Always hoping for the best. Okay, everybody. So what are we having? Starting points 2x. Going up to 3, 7, 10, 15, 20, 100. Multiplied by 3, so the highest win is 300. Okay. We need to catch it. It's going to be 6 or 9. Interesting. Good question. Good question, E. Are you ready? Let's go. I really hope it's going to be something higher than 6 or 9. Come on. Straight to 300, please.
This is the amount of money issued to 150 for 1,092 euros.
Congratulations! 2,023 of you have won in this round. Congratulations. Finally. Finally, the luck is on our side. I told you a little bit of patience is needed.
2 different Crazy Times. Crazy Time is in Latvia. Different studio, different place. Crazy Time A is in Lithuania. So the game is the same, everything's the same, except that it's 2 different countries, 2 different places, 2 studios, but like different hosts. 7x on Crazy Time, by the way. Oh, that's all Lithuania as well. Crazy Time is in Latvia and Crazy Time A is in Lithuania. That's true. What's your favorite about them? Just a good sense of humor. I love that about people when you can just have a lot of fun with them. Yo, everybody, this is not a drill. Crazy Time with the 7x stop slot. This is not a drill, everybody. Oh, okay, now we're talking. Let's go. Hey everybody, welcome. This is the last bonus round in the collection. Now we got them all, and this one has a special treat, Look at the multipliers, but times 7. Yes, to see that happens, That happens all the time. So, wheel is prepared, decision time is open, choose your flapper, green, blue or yellow. If anything, feel free to leave it up to auto-pick. That's the thing. Alright, top vault is 700x. May the force be with you.
This is the amount of money issued 150 to 1,436 euros.
It has happened. 175x for green, 105 for yellow, 700x for blue. Welcome back.
And we got it. Now, we've got some winner scores. Betting time's open as always. So welcome to everyone that have just joined the game. I wish you all the best luck in this game of crazy timing. Alright. Let's see what we delivered on this time. Let's see how do we enjoy this session? How much? Maybe we'll enjoy it a lot, maybe not. But now, that is a cash hunt with a 7x. Yes indeed, yes indeed. Cash hunt 7x. Ooh, would be a big bonus if we hit it right now. Possibly. Maybe, just maybe. Come on, don't go to one. Ladies and gentlemen, cash hunt with a 7x. Right close to the finish. That's what I like to see. Let's take it. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, hello there again. Welcome back to the cash hunt. This time it is a special cash hunt. We got ourselves a cash hunt with a 7x for a top slot. So now, let's apply that big 7x. Can we do that? Here we go. Ooh, look at those numberinos. They look nicely. So now, maximum buy is 3,500x. Okay. Ooh, let's hope you can actually get it here. 3,500, 3,500x. Ooh. Would love to see it. But now, ladies and gentlemen, that's a big shuffle. Okay, all the icons have a big shuffle. And now, decision time. This will be a pretty important decision, you know, for 7x cash hunt. So make your choice count. And well, let's see if anyone gets the 3,500. Now, let's do the reveal.
This is the amount of money issued, 82,340 euros.
Is it? Oh, right there. Okay. So now, congratulations all the winners. Let's go back to the game. Booyah! And so, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Woo! Quite a nice one we got there, just in the nick of time. And you know what? This will be my last round as well. After this round, after 2 hours, Dante is going out.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.